Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install optional update in Windows 11. So click on start, then settings, open settings, and here in this left side panel click on Windows update. Now click on advanced options and here the option optional updates, click on it and click on this drop down and here you will see all available updates. These are optionals. If you have a specific problem, one of these drivers might help. Otherwise, automatic updates will keep your driver up to date. So just download and install. And once this process will be complete, exit and restart your system.